Okay, I'll be honest, I've seen price predictions all over the place. Most of the time, they never come to fruition and are thus discarded carelessly. I will be discussing the 2025 value of 2,500 XRP in this video. Also, you may be wondering, why are you picking that amount in reference to Nick? Why? Because that's the sweet spot for XRP prices if we examine the rich list surrounding it. Gold is true for most wallets. Many other wallets exist that can hold more money, I'm sure of it. Furthermore, I believe that no one should set their sights on 2,500. I believe that everyone should have tens of thousands, if not 20,000, in their possession. You should hold as much XRP as you can afford. However, this depends on your investment history and the amount you can afford to hold. Just as I mentioned before, we will be discussing the value of 2,500 XRP by 2025 in this video. This is going to be covered extensively. We will be discussing it. Additionally, we are not relying solely on price forecasts. In reality, we're combining mathematical calculations with the prior price action and the data presented on the price charts. And we'll merely review it, won't we? Whether or not it is accurate, we will simply review it. Here is how I've been thinking about it all. We will go over it, as I mentioned before, each and every detail. Alright folks, let me introduce myself. I'm Nick and I'd like to welcome you to the channel. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe by the end of the video. And if you haven't already, you can find the link to our free Discord server in the description. Why hesitate when we are nearly 10,000 strong? Effortlessly enjoy it. Sign up today to gain access to a wealth of data. As I mentioned before, listen up, if you've been around for a while in this space, you should have a lot more XRP than say 10,000. The reason I say this is because we can see this trend over time, can't we? Since I've been involved in this market for some time, we've had plenty of time to amass a large amount of XRP at prices below $1. I mean, we're talking about prices that dip below 20 cents at one point, 30 cents, below 10 cents, or even below 20 cents for a long period like 15 cents, 17 cents, or 18 cents, all the way back to 2019. Every once in a while, we did have a few opportunities. By 2020, we had dropped to around 11 cents, so we were well under 15 cents. In 2020, when XRP was involved in the SEC lawsuit, which is also known as the end of the world, it did drop to around 17 cents on some exchanges. I remember that on some exchanges, XRP reached the mid-20 cent range during this whole bull run or bear market into the bull run. We had access to it around 30 cents during that time. This entire region, however, would have been. Now is the perfect moment to stock up on XRP in anticipation of its potential price drops below 50 cents or even below $1. Consider that in July of 2023, when it was announced that XRP was not a security, its value reached approximately 83 cents or 82 cents, or 82 cents. Each and every one of these transactions is unique. We wound up with 93 cents on a few of them, I know it. You know, we had a lot of chances to get XRP for less than $1, and even 50 cents. As I mentioned before, I understand that 10,000 XRP is too expensive for some people. It makes sense to me. However, your goal should always be to acquire the maximum possible amount while the price is low. Having had the chance to purchase XRP at such low prices, I find it difficult to even recommend doing so now. Therefore, I find it quite difficult to say, hey, get XRP now. However, if we're genuinely considering XRP at this time, the difference between buying during the bear market and today is like 2,500 XRP. It appears like you're looking at some decent profits. When we discuss XRP in this video, most of my prices will be related to the story that has been circulating about XRP potentially stealing Ethereum. Over the years, that has been a major storyline. The reason it has always been a hot topic is that XRP was the #2 project for a long time. Actually, you had the opportunity to capture a screenshot of a promising opportunity in this market. In reality, XRP is the most important project. I agree with that. At one point in time, its market capitalization was higher than Bitcoin's. Yet, that was a great distance in the past. Does it have the potential to occur again? What a wild turn of events if it were to turn Bitcoin upside down. That being said, I do not believe it occurs during this cycle. But I do believe it has a good chance of overtaking Ethereum and returning to the position of #2 in this market. We have December 2nd if we come over here. XRP's 4-year war with the SEC ends in 2024, and the cryptocurrency returns to 3rd place. And that's something else significant, isn't it? In 2025, the SEC will undergo a radical transformation. As of January 20th, Gary Gensler will be resigning from his position. Additionally, we have an experienced crypto administrator on staff. Therefore, XRP and Ripple, the business that uses the XRP ledger, could experience some significant changes. Along with the prospect of XRP ETFs, I believe that will serve as a major catalyst for XRP. A lot of people are still seeing the Ripple IPO as a major catalyst, I know that. It doesn't really have anything to do with XRP other than Ripple, a company that uses the XRP ledger and XRP going public, so I don't see it as a catalyst for XRP. Therefore, there are many catalysts associated with that. A great deal of talk is going on. Many things are up for debate when it comes to adoption, partnerships, announcements, etc. The cryptocurrency market, however, is sure to have a fascinating year ahead. Also, I think crypto will have a very bullish year this year. Also, while we're doing that, we should be considering the future of these altcoins' prices. I am not referring to the USD chart when I say that we look at historical charts. Right now, I'm studying the dominance chart. During our time together, I created this post on this Google Sheets, like a dominance rate below 2%. Very well, our dominance has surpassed 3.88%. We did reach a dominance level of approximately 4.75%, which is also the level where we encountered significant resistance during the bear market of 2016 to 2017. From there, the market went absolutely bonkers. Now, XRP has a reputation for having a lot of dominance. That is, if we intend to visit around the year 2020, XRP appeared poised for a major breakout. According to the candlestick pattern, it had been hovering around 5% for the past 3 weeks. However, its market dominance did dwindle to around 6%. Looking at this from a broader perspective, the 6% level represents the middle ground. On this overall chart, I would say that the middle range is around 6%. However, it did hold a disproportionately large share of the market in 2017 and 2018. During January of 2018, when the all-time high was reached, it was sitting at approximately 17.89%. Now, it's at about 31.38%. As a result, XRP has a reputation for being very dominant. This space is now mine. The dominance is 12.4%. For the purpose of this video, I'm simply rounding down to 12%. This level on the chart is a result of fib extensions, which is why I do have it most of the time. Alright, so this is basically the golden ratio outreach OS chart. Therefore, it is on the chart for that reason. You might be thinking, well, 12.4% is notable for XRP, given that the cryptocurrency hasn't achieved that level since 2019. The story that XRP will dethrone Ethereum has been circulating for a long time, and I would agree with you if that weren't the case. Okay, I see. Is it now absolutely